Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. Olympian and national junior 100 record holder Alana Reid was among the Jamaican athletes who qualified for the next round of their respective events in the morning session on the opening day of the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in Lima, Peru. Reid clocked 11.48 seconds to win her heat of the 100 meters and make progress to this afternoon's semi-final set to begin at 4:35. Compatriot Thiana Terrelang did not advance, however, after clocking 12.03 for fourth in her heat. In the boys' equivalent, Gary Card clocked 10.40 to win his heat and advance to this afternoon's semi-final. Compatriot DeAndre Daly also advanced to the semi-finals after also winning his heat in 10.37. The quartet of DeMarco Bennett, Nastasia Fletcher, Marcina Rose and Alia Baker advanced to the final of the mixed 4x400 final set for this afternoon. They clocked 3 minutes, 24.77 seconds for second in their semi-final this morning. West Indies will look to complete a 3-0 series sweep of South Africa when the teams meet in the final match of their T20 International Series this afternoon at the Brian Lara Cricket Stadium. The match bowls off at 2 p.m. The Caribbean team took an unassailable 2-0 lead in the series win on Sunday with a 30-run victory at the same venue to follow up their 7-wicket triumph in the opener on Friday. The Caribbean side will be looking for a second successive sweep of the South Africans after also winning their 3-match series 3-0 in May. Reappointed coach of Mount Pleasant football, Theodore Whitmore, says the players will have a free mindset heading into this evening's CONCACAF Caribbean Cup contest with fellow Jamaican team Arnett Gardens. Mount Pleasant lost 2-0 to Cavalier in their opening match of the competition last week, and Whitmore, who was sensationally brought back to replace the ousted Harold Thomas, is calling for his team to quickly refocus.
I'm still trying to put pieces together, but
Meanwhile, for Arnett Gardens head coach Xavier Gilbert, the late coaching change at Mount Pleasant has made things more difficult.
That's the tough part for us, as a staff, trying to analyze how they're going to play. It's not the same staff from the last game, so things are going to be different. And they didn't get the desired result. The players, their mindset, and they want to do well too, so they're a little bit hungrier to come out. So it can be challenging for us. Some might say it should be easy, but it can be extremely challenging for us, and we anticipate that.
The match kicks off at 5 p.m. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. And also, that's it for the Midday News. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.